Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can enable or disable coupons in WordPress. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in WordPress and then just click here settings. And when you're going to be here, you just want to scroll down below. And right here, you're going to see enable coupons. What you can do is simply unclick it, and in that way you will enable or disable it. It's really up to you. But that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.